Hello friends, today we are going to learn about how to convert a MS Word file to PDF in Windows 10. I will discuss the easy way to convert a Word file to PDF in MS Office 2007, 2010, 2013 or later versions. In MS Word 2007, first I open a text file. To convert this file to PDF, you have to click on Office button, then choose Print and again click on this print option. Here you have to choose Microsoft Print to PDF option from this drop down menu. Now click OK. Now type a file name here and click at Save button. We can also follow the same steps to convert a file to PDF in Microsoft Office 2010, 2013 or later versions. In MS Word 2010 or 2013, you have to click on File tab, then click Print, and now you have to choose the option Microsoft Print to PDF from this drop-down list. Lastly, click at Print button. Now type a file name here, then click Save button. In newer versions, you can use another easy way to convert a MS Word file to PDF. For this, just click on File tab, then choose Save As option. Now choose the place where you want to save the document, then type a file name. Now you have to choose Save As Type as PDF from this drop-down list. Now lastly click at Save button. This is the newly created PDF file which is automatically open on Adobe Acrobat Reader. You can convert the MS Excel file and PowerPoint file to PDF using the same procedure. Thank you.